Right now, do you know what's at risk in your environment? Hi, I'm Amma Quatin with Veeam's Top Innovation Update. Every blind spot is a business risk waiting to surface at the worst possible moment. An audit, a ransomware event, a board question you can't answer. It's because the answer is buried across dozens of consoles, alerts, and reports that nobody has time to reconcile. Let's see how Veeam closes that gap to provide resilience without blind spots. First, you have to know what's at risk. Veeam Intelligence Model Context Protocol Server, or MCP, lets teams ask in plain language what's actually at risk by leveraging any compatible AI client configured to use local or self-hosted LLMs. No more digging through systems and reports for information. Next up, protect without gaps. Every new environment adds yet another blind spot. With Kasten 9.0, you can protect modern workloads at enterprise scale, so a missed Kubernetes cluster or workload never becomes the gap that costs you. Finally, let's recover with confidence. VDP 13.1 strengthens clean, verified recovery from day one, with 6 new hypervisors supported, and Vault Archive keeps it immutable, air-gapped, and untouchable for years to come. So together, recovery isn't a hope, it's a guarantee. Know what's at risk, protect without gaps, recover with confidence. That's resilience without blind spots. That's Veeam.